While there are common concerns about AI, such as fears of job displacement or over-reliance on technology, it's important to also recognize the significant benefits AI brings to the table. From streamlining workflows to enhancing decision-making, AI is revolutionizing how we handle tasks. Let's dive into 5 compelling reasons why AI is more of a boon than a bane in the realm of task management. Reason 1. Enhanced efficiency and speed. First, let's talk about enhanced efficiency and speed. AI systems are designed to process information at an incredible rate, far surpassing human capabilities. This speed is not just about getting tasks done quicker. It's about the ability to handle complex data sets and perform multifaceted analysis in real time. Imagine having insights and results at your fingertips almost instantly. This rapid processing power of AI aids in making informed decisions swiftly, a crucial advantage in today's fast-paced world. Up next, the automation and streamlining of workflows are significant benefits of AI. AI can handle a range of repetitive tasks with precision and consistency. This automation extends beyond simple tasks to more complex processes like supply chain management and customer service. By automating these tasks, AI frees up human workers to focus on more creative and impactful work, thereby increasing overall productivity and job satisfaction. Reason number 3. Error reduction. In tasks that require high levels of accuracy, such as financial forecasting, data entry, and schedule management, AI proves invaluable. By minimizing human errors, AI systems not only save time, but also prevent potentially costly mistakes. This aspect is particularly crucial in industries where precision is paramount, like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Next, personalized task management is a game changer. AI doesn't offer a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, it adapts to your individual work style. This means that the more you interact with an AI system, the better it understands your preferences and patterns. Over time, this leads to a highly customized support system that can anticipate your needs and suggest the most effective ways to organize and tackle your tasks. Reason 5. Predictive analytics for better decision-making. Finally, predictive analytics offered by AI is a powerful tool for forward planning and decision-making. By analyzing past trends and data, AI can predict future outcomes with a significant degree of accuracy. This capability is invaluable for strategic planning, whether it's in the context of business operations, financial investments, or personal project management. Predictive analytics empower users to make proactive decisions, staying ahead of potential challenges and capitalizing on upcoming opportunities. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI in task management is a powerful ally, offering more than just efficiency. It's a transformative force. These 5 reasons highlight how AI is reshaping the landscape of task management, making it more efficient, error-free, personalized, and predictive. The potential of AI in enhancing our work and personal lives is immense. As we embrace these advancements, we find that AI doesn't replace us, but rather complements and amplifies our skills. As we continue to develop and integrate AI technologies, it's essential to view them as tools that augment our capabilities, enhancing our effectiveness and creativity rather than as threats to our roles.